want to open a digital product shop on Etsy, but you are confused what products to sell using AI to generate a high revenue. So don't worry, today in this video, I will tell you which product you can sell on Etsy using AI technique. I will also show you competitor store earning proof who are running great revenue in this niche, which will give you confidence and motivation to open a successful AI-based digital product store on Etsy. So make sure you watch the full video without skipping any parts, and let's get started. Digital Tumbler wraps or Tumbler skins are another well-liked digital product among digital planners and digital stickers. Since artificial intelligence entered the market, the sale of digital wraps has significantly expanded. People are selling digital Tumbler wraps for $500 to $1,000 every day, which is a significant amount of money. Let me show you some store sales and earnings proof, so you can get a good idea of how much you can earn in this niche using AI. Let us first check this store. Tumbler Wrap Designs is the name of this shop. This shop has generated a total of $99.30 in sales. This shop specializes in Tumbler wraps, and the majority of the designs are created using the AI process. Let's check out this shop analytics in our Etsy analysis tool right away. As you can see, this store has earned $52,954 in total. And if we analyze the shop's monthly sales, we find they have a total $662 in monthly sales and $35.30 in revenue, which is a very high number for this niche. Let's explore one more shop. Rise Tumbler Designs is the name of this store. This store has a star seller badge and has completed 10,468 sales in total. This store just sells Tumbler wrap designs and specializes in Tumbler skin. The majority of the designs in this store are floral and created using AI. Let's now use the Etsy Analyzer tool to review this store. As you can see, this store is just 7 months old. In just 7 months, this shop has generated $89.70 in income from 10.47K sales. Now, if we examine this store's monthly sales figures, we discover that it sells 5K designs each month and makes $12.82 every month, which is an adequate amount of money. Similarly, many shops are making a lot of money in this niche. Now I'll show you how to use AI to develop similar designs and set up your new digital product shop. You'll need Discord and the Midjourney AI tool to do so. If you want to learn how to create a Discord and Midjourney account, watch this video. The link is in the description box. Let's generate a design similar to this using AI. Now I'm going to submit my command in the Midjourney AI tool. I require a sunflower with an American flag, so I'm going to give command here. American flag and a sunflower in watercolor effect. Press enter. It will take some time for results to appear. Our results have arrived. And I like the second design, so I'll make a variation of it. It also generated a version of my chosen design. I prefer the third one of these designs, so I'll upscale it. Now I'm going to download it. After that, I'll use Photoshop to make a Tumbler mockup. Guys, I'll include a link to the Photoshop file in the description box. To add a design to the mockup, click here and drag and drop your design. Then adjust it using the Shift and Alt keys. Then go to File and Save. My first Tumbler design is complete. Now I'll group all of the folders and duplicate this group. I'm going to rename this group Tumbler 1 and merge it. Now that I'm working on my second Tumbler design, I'll title this group Tumbler 2. Then again double-click here, select this design, rotate and adjust it, then go to File and Save. I'll also merge this group. My Tumbler designs are both finished. Now I'll make the designs aesthetically pleasing and create a proper mockup. To do so, I'll remove the background from both layers. Finally, I'll include a background in my Tumbler mockup. Now that my Tumbler mockup design is complete, I can publish it to my Etsy store with all of the data and begin selling. Similarly, you may use AI tools to produce several designs and open a profitable digital product store in this niche. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe.